Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll start off with the S&P 500. And why are we looking at the S&P 500 if we are a Bitcoin channel? Well, things correlate a little bit, and the S&P is mega strong, and it will be, I think, this week or next week when we will see new all-time highs. And my target is this upper trend line over here. I think we will test it pretty soon. This green upper trend line price will go there. So yeah, that is my prediction for the S&P, and it had a strong day as well. So back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on a really big time scale. This was 2014 over here, even a bit of 2013. I was in it already over here. Very wild year. Anyway, back to the now, and we can see Bitcoin correlating a little bit over here above support. 10.5 is a strong support, but it is just going sideways a little bit, taking a little breather, and we're not really making higher highs. It could be a double top now. Let's see. Could be a double top over here. And we are making a bit lower lows at the moment. We can see Bitcoin broke this trend line over here. Still above it. Could be maybe more something like this. So yeah, that is what Bitcoin is doing. It feels a little bit heavy, like it wants to go down, but I think we are good as long as we are above this level, kind of. So yeah, it looks a bit weak in my eyes. We are making higher lows, but I don't know. I don't feel that bullish really. I don't really like this price action. We are setting higher lows. This was a low, this was a low, this was one, and this is one. I mean, they're all higher kind of, but I don't know. It was kind of a weak day. I didn't expect this much of a dump. But what it is funding. That means like a lot of people are longing, you know. Price, like we need to run stops. We need to run stops of shorts or liquidate shorts to fuel up higher. And we're not really seeing it at the moment. So I am flat for the moment. I knife catched something over here, and I took profit, and since I've been kind of flat, and it feels kind of good. I will wait a little bit before I take another move at Bitcoin. Maybe this is a perfect buying moment, I don't know. Normally I have a really good feeling of what it's gonna do, but at the moment I really do not have a good feeling about it. I mean, this is a really important price level for Bitcoin. It is about 11.5. But I don't know, it doesn't feel that strong. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum making a big rising wedge. You could maybe make a channel out of it. Is consolidating as well a little bit. Ethereum needs to go above. This one is broken by Ethereum on the 1 hour. Doesn't look too good in my eyes. Ethereum doesn't look that good either. Ethereum BTC, let's zoom in a little bit. Still very good, still very strong. Let's zoom in a little bit on Ethereum BTC. I mean, doesn't look that bad if we draw this line over here. It broke out. If we draw this line over here, I mean, it's Ethereum BTC is still good, but it's not like I'm liking it a lot. We see something like this over here. I would say something like this. Did break up a little bit, but is missing a little bit of force with the break. I'm not really liking Ethereum BTC USD today. Not that particularly bullish on it. A request from a follower, RSR. Let's remove all the drawings, and we have, of course, a horizontal over here. We see the price acting on it over here, and well, we had a wick over it over here. Not that valid in my eyes. We can see price did something over here, with some action out over here, a retest over here, and a retest over here. I mean, it looks a bit like wait. This is what RSR is doing. Do we see something else as well? Not really. Do we see something like this? Yeah. I mean, looks like a rising wedge, is kind of bearish, but there's not that much price history because it's kind of still a young coin. So I would draw something like this. I mean, it still looks good. We see higher lows and lower highs, kind of, on a daily time frame. Let's zoom into the 4-hour. So it doesn't look that bad. It maybe waits for a breakout over here. I would say they will break up over here soon, but as soon as they break, oh, the line is still on. As soon as the green trend line, bottom trend line breaks, maybe a place for a stop. Otherwise, this purple line over here, if that breaks, it is a stop. But I think it can easily go for another push up. And yeah, it still looks good. Still looks good. Break of this one is support. This is support as well. If it's below this line, exit. But maybe exit already if they're going below this green line. ETHBTC, let's take a look. And doesn't look that good compared to the other one. But let's draw some things. I mean, it did break out of this one if you draw it on the daily. But let's zoom in a little bit. You could make a head and shoulders out of it, maybe. The head and shoulders is a reversal pattern. It would be something like this. Would be bearish. What else do I see? See a line over here. There's not that much price history, so it's really hard to make something out of it. But I definitely can see a head and shoulders in it like this. I mean, on the shorter term, if you're looking at this, they are a low, and this is a higher low. So if they keep making higher lows, it is good. But I think I would definitely exit it if they make a lower low, lower than this one or lower than this one. So that's about it for RSR. Not particularly looking really good at the moment. RSR, you can do another leg push up because they're making higher lows. And I mean, RSR does look a little bit better. We can see they visited the high ranges already. But altcoins can do really weird things, and they can pump really hard, and they're easy to pump. So today, I mean, I'm bullish on the S&P. I don't know that much about Bitcoin. I think the bull run has started, and if Bitcoin will visit 10.5k again, it is a buy opportunity. But for trading, I am not too sure at the moment. I'm staying flat. I'm quite fine with staying flat. I don't see a clear rejection, or I don't see a clear trend at the moment, really. Maybe you could paint something like this on Ethereum BTC. Would look a bit better, but I don't like it that much at the moment. To be honest, I'm okay with being flat. Maybe we need to build up some fuel again, make the bears believe the price will top out over here, and when everybody shorts, the price will go up again. But for the moment, I mean, this could be the reversal as well. That I'm totally wrong. Getting people bearish, making them to go short, and then like run stops again off of the shorts. I do believe the bull run has started, but in the short term, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. So guys, that's about it for today. If you want to trade with some leverage, please use one of the following ref links and you'll get some extra discounts as well. The ref links are in the video description as well, and make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.